This is how you eat an apple the right way. This is how you eat an apple the left way. Many question if this is sanitary. I'm going to be using Milwaukee SS drill bits. SS is short for super sanitary. You have to be... No way! It's Jigglypuff. I choose you. Get it, Jiggles. It was super effective. Butter, melt. Grab some oats from the meal. Some healthy sugar. Some Tree Pow Pow. Flavor crystals. Some Yum Yum sauce. Powdered wheat. Mix Solardo. Put the stuff in. The apple. Get it, Betty. Perfect. Betty got it. This stuff. Tree Pow Pow. Taste test. Oatmeal.